Greetings everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a topic that's been highly requested by our viewers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to this subject, we've got you covered with some valuable insights and tips to help you master this topic. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Hello everyone, and welcome to our class on YouTube marketing. In today's digital age, YouTube has become a powerful platform for businesses and individuals to reach and engage with audiences. Today, we'll be discussing how to effectively use YouTube to grow your brand, increase visibility, and ultimately drive more traffic and sales. Let's get started. Understanding YouTube first, let's go over the basics of YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform that receives billions of views each day. It's currently the second largest search engine in the world, after Google. YouTube allows users to upload and share videos, as well as interact with other users through comments and subscriptions. Creating a YouTube channel. Now that we understand the basics of YouTube, let's dive into creating a YouTube channel. Your channel should be optimized for search and visually appealing to potential subscribers. Here are some tips for creating a great YouTube channel. 1. Use a high-quality channel icon and banner. 2. Write a clear and concise channel description. 3. Include links to your website or social media profiles. 4. Choose relevant categories that align with your brand or business. 5. Use keywords in your channel title and description. Creating engaging video content. Creating engaging video content is the key to success on YouTube. Videos should be visually appealing, informative, and shareable. Here are some tips for creating great video content. 1. Use high-quality and visually appealing footage. 2. Include descriptive and keyword-rich video titles and descriptions. 3. Create videos that solve a problem or provide value to your audience. 4. Use branding elements like logos and colors to make your videos recognizable. Optimizing your videos for search. Optimizing your videos for search is crucial to getting them seen by potential viewers. YouTube's algorithm is based on keywords and engagement, so using the right keywords in your video titles and descriptions can help boost your visibility. Here are some tips for optimizing your videos for search. 1. Use relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions. 2. Include tags in your video description. 3. Use YouTube's autocomplete feature to find relevant keywords. 4. Create engaging and clickable thumbnails for your videos. Engaging with your audience. Engaging with your audience is an important aspect of YouTube marketing. Responding to comments, offering value, and creating a community around your channel can help increase engagement and loyalty. Here are some tips for engaging with your audience. 1. Respond to comments and questions. 2. Offer value and answer questions in your videos. 3. Host contests and giveaways to encourage engagement. 4. Collaborate with other YouTubers to increase your reach. That's it for our class on YouTube marketing. We hope you learned something new and are feeling inspired to use YouTube to grow your brand or business. Remember, creating an effective YouTube channel, creating engaging video content, optimizing your videos for search, and engaging with your audience are all important steps to success on this platform. Thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video as well.